Welcome to Manchester. What's up guys, welcome to today's video. As you saw in the beginning of the video, we are in Manchester. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dain LUKA. I post travel content every single Friday. So before we do anything, go and press subscribe, and you can go follow on my me on my social medias down below as well. Hang out with me today and my friend Alice. We are going on a food tour of Manchester. So before I start this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Airbnb. I'll link it below if you want to stay here. It was described as a New York style city apartment. It was pretty cheap for a weekend. So we're here for 3 nights on a little sort of staycation. My friend Alice is actually moving to Manchester, so I agreed to help her find somewhere to live. So in between house viewings today, we're going to be going around the city, going to different areas, going to Chinatown, Northern Quarter, the Gay Village, and just basically finding the best food because we all love food. So yeah, this is the living room. So this is the kitchen area. It's quite basic, but you can see I quite like the ceiling. It's got like this wooden effect. And then this is the apartment. Alice is just getting ready, but we were sort of working from here yesterday, which is quite nice. So I think it worked out about £200 for 3 nights. So we have 1 bedroom here, which is kind of cool. I just really love the exposed brick. And then there's lots of these cool paintings everywhere. Bathroom, it's quite basic. And then my bedroom, which is this one here. So you can see more exposed brick. The only thing I don't really like these lights, they're so intense. They're just so bright, like unnecessary. So I think the first place that we're gonna hit up is a coffee shop. It's about 10 o'clock here. I've had breakfast this morning, but I'm not gonna eat anything else because I just wanna eat like lots of little things. So I'm gonna count how many times or how many places we actually go to eat. So we've like researched a few cool places. It's a bit awkward at the moment because restaurants don't open inside till Monday. So we sort of knew that there wasn't gonna be much to do. I'll link my other Manchester vlog down below if you want to check that out. I went to like John Ryland's library. I did a lot more cool things. So yeah, let's go and check out Manchester. Okay, so we are at the first stop of the day, which is Feel Good Club. It's awkward because it's typical Manchester. It's like rains here pretty much every day. So typical Brit would just sit outside in this lovely British rain. So yeah, this is stop number 1. Oh my god, that's hot. Oh my god. That was bloody hot. Oh my god, wow. I'm gonna mix it with my knife. That was fucking hot.
What have you got, Alice?
Here we have scrambled tofu, sriracha mayo on a brioche bun. Kind of looks like a
unreal
hot dog. And it's all vegan.
Yes, we love that.
Cute.
So that one was the first one. It was Feel Good Club. Highly recommend. The coffee is good. And I realized I actually follow them on Instagram. They're like a positive affirmation page. I'll link them down below. But yeah, highly recommend that one if you're looking for a coffee spot near the Northern Quarter, like Piccadilly area.
And there was no queue.
And there was no queue, and it was really cute inside.
And the people were really nice.
Yeah, it was quite funny. I had my camera on my lap and they thought it was a dog. It's like, I wish.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. Okay, so the first place that we went to was Ancoats Pop-Up Market, which is on every Saturday, I think 11 till 4. There's loads of like cute little small businesses. So the first thing that I got is tofu fried rice, which looks unreal. And I'm gonna have a little try. I'm literally so hungry, it's 2 o'clock. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's really good.
So when I was at Rio Carnival last year, I got these little cheese balls, and I just found them in the market, and they're so good. They're basically really just like bread, but then when you get into them, the bread's like all cheesy as well.
Oh, wow.
They're so good.
Support small businesses.
And the way you talk, it make the city shine dark. I'll go to hell for you if you want me to.
Okay, so update, it's actually really hectic to try and find somewhere to like eat, so we're like probably like halfway through this food crawl, even though I think I was expecting there to be a lot more like takeaway things. We've tried like Northern Quarter, everywhere's just like fully booked, nowhere's taking walk-ins, but we found this place, Black Milk. It's literally like raining and everyone's sat under umbrellas. It's not raining right now. But yeah, they put this table out for us, which is really cute. So just ordered a milkshake, and yeah,
pancakes.
and Alice got some pancakes, so I'm kind of full. That tofu rice that I had earlier was pretty filling, so yeah, milkshake's probably a good shout about now.
Yeah, I'm not even hungry, but they just looked unreal.
And it's the food crawl, so we're gonna get fat. It's fat Saturdays.
I ran this morning, so it's fine.
Okay, so I've gone for an Oreo vegan milkshake, which is actually unreal, and Alice
Has
I've
the
gone
most
for the most-
insane pancakes.
and they smell unreal.
I need to come back here and try every
Yeah,
flavour.
so good.
Okay, so we had a little break, went back to the apartment for like an hour, and now we are ready to go and eat more food. We didn't have much luck earlier, but we are going to Chinatown, hopefully for some noodles, and then we're going to finish up in the gay village, maybe have a drink or something, have an early night, and then in the morning we're going to go to Ezra and Gil for breakfast, and that will be the end of our food tour. So hopefully we can find somewhere that we can either walk in or get some takeaway food, because I'm so done with being told we don't take walk-ins and book-ins only.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is another bad Keep dancing with the devil, but it is another bad
Good morning guys, we are up bright and early for our final day in Manchester, and I'm really sad. I didn't really vlog last night because it was so loud, but we had a really good evening. We went to Ancoats, and there was like a little square with loads of bars and restaurants, and we had some really good food at a place called Nam, and they made us like alcohol free cocktails, and it was just really nice. So I definitely feel like today I've eaten a lot of shit the last few days.
Yeah, I feel shit.
So we're going to Ezra and Gil, and that's going to be the last stop on the food stop. Okay, so we've just arrived at Ezra and Gil. It's very quiet, and I don't know why. We thought it would be really busy because the past few days when we've tried to come here, it's been like 25-30 minute wait for a table. But as you can see, there is no one here. So pretty much everywhere in Manchester has these QR codes. So you basically just scan the code and then you can order your food and drinks. And I actually hope that stays, because I think it's a lot easier than having like table service and that. Okay, so we've just eaten at Ezra and Gil. I'd give it like, the coffee was definitely 10 out of 10, but I think I'm so full that I actually didn't enjoy it as much.
It was 10 out of 10. Don't listen to him. Unreal Oreo.
I said the coffee was
French
10 out of
toast.
10, but my breakfast, it would have been probably a 10 out of 10 had I enjoyed it and I was like less full. But I'm so full from all the food that we've eaten that I was like, oh, and I actually feel kind of sick now.
Yeah, I feel really sick as well. Pancakes yesterday and Oreo French toast today.
We've just had a lot of like sweet treats and a lot of really rich tasting food. We've come to this little cute place. We're going to take some photos now because I've barely taken any pictures this weekend. So yeah. Another one to add to your list is Crazy Pedros. Oh my god, this pizza was so good. I had like a big 16-inch pizza, I think, to myself, and it was like the vegan Giuseppe pizza. Definitely check it out. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for the weekend, exploring Manchester and eating all the good food. I'm really sad to be leaving, but I'm excited to come back next time when maybe I might even consider living in Manchester. Obviously this year is a bit unknown, like I want to try and get away for a few months in the summer, but I want to get out of my sort of town that I'm living in at the moment, so I'll probably be joining Alice in Manchester. As usual, I'll link everything that I spoke about in the video down below, like all the places we ate, things to check out. I'm also going to link the vlog that I did last time I came to Manchester because there are so many things to do in Manchester, but unfortunately a lot of the activities are indoors, which because of COVID and like the roadmap and everything, we can only eat outside. I would probably say one of my highlights was sitting in Nam last night. Like we met some cool guys and like everyone's just so much friendlier up north. I love it. Like it makes me want to move here. And plus the rent is so much cheaper. So yeah, go and check out my Instagram as well down below. And don't forget to subscribe. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so you guys can make that happen. I know I keep saying that, but yeah, go and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. In the comments down below, leave your recommendations for Manchester. Maybe other people can look at it and yeah, get some good food recommendations. So yeah, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, take care and peace out.